probably tried and turned sideways though.
Alright, all forward.
Let's aim for the hole. We're gonna miss it. Woo! 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 Woo!
Nice.
Pretty intense. Woo! Woo! Oh! Woo-hoo!
That felt so good.
There might be a rock right there. That's a rock. That's a rock. Pull on it. Pull on it. Might want to shove off, Emily. Nice, good pirouette. Nice.
Oh no.
The mark! That seems fine. Oh, there is a sizable rock up here. I am going forward. Now I'm going backward. We missed it. Rock. Let's hit it. Nah, it's fine. Don't paddle forward. We'll bounce off. We completely missed it.
That's because
Bruh.
that was impressive. Yeah, we did.
Boo. Yeah. What is happening here?
Oh god, I don't know how I got caught in your swim trunks.
You don't know how that got caught in my swim trunks?
No idea.
Yeah, I have no idea either. Woo! Those do look excited. Woo! Woo! Nice. Woo! All right, should we go sideways? Sideways.
Oh, no.
Sideways. 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 Yes, sideways. We gotta go sideways. Sideways. Woo! Woo! Oh, we might need to paddle forward slightly. Oh god! Herbie! Oh gosh. That was great. You weren't supposed to fall out. Did you just throw that away? Okay. Oh, we got a rock. Don't use that. There's a throw bag that's a lot better, which is right here. Here we can go. Let's paddle towards this eddy over here on the right. All forward.
Oh man, that would be the craziest thing that's ever happened.
That, like, should not have fallen out. We're fine. Yeah.
Okay,
Got it?
now can you pull me up?
Like these little armpits here?
Sure. Okay, that's good.
Alright, we can go sideways this way if you want now.
I don't think that's it.
No, that's
I
fine.
don't think we should, Riley.
Nice.
Okay, we go all forward. All forward. Riley, that's back.
We gotta go sideways. Sideways is necessary. Woo! Woohoo! Or backwards. That's fine too. Less exciting. All forward.
I wonder what I got.
It doesn't work well with the clothes.
I can't do a muscle up.
You can do it. You got it, Nathan. Let's go. Oh. Here, I'll put a finger up your sphincter. The magic finger, Nathan. Oh, it does look shallow. Wow, look at that over there. How'd we miss that? That's so sad. Woo! Up, up, up. Woo. That does look slightly big. All right, all forward. This does look mildly exciting, actually. No, we're going right side of it. All forward, all forward. Oh, we're not gonna make it. All back, all back, all back. Lean back.
Nice.
No.
That was much better than last time. Still hit the rock.
Still wasn't great.
Still not great.